Hey guys, Dimitri Pence here with the Outer Crest. So as you can see, I got a little scruff going on today because I've been traveling for about 2 weeks. I began my summer-long journey. I started from the eastern side of Washington State, drove over in the bus to get to the coast of Washington to begin the journey. Right before I hit the ferry going over to Orcas Island, I stopped off at a state park right off to the side of the ferry landing. Basically, if you're going to the Anacortes ferry landing, instead of taking a right to go down, you'll just head straight off and it'll basically take you through there. And I'll also put the name of the park in the description of the video. How's it going?
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Oh, go ahead and go down lane 11 then.
So first things first, I've got to make sure I get some time with the family in, so stop in with the nephews and go see my grandma and my mama.
West side, west side, west side.
I'm gonna give you the camera inside, okay?
Okay. In a minute.
Yeah, right now.
I'm filming. Dude, I'm trying to film. Yeah, do this.
You can do this. You can do this. Don't drop the camera, turd. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera.
I'm right.
No, hand it to me. Here. We also can't forget the lake. Finally, once you get all the good stuff out of the way, then it's time to start working on the bus. But not before I get some food in my belly. Come here, boy. I love you. Go. I'll be back. The building in the bus may not have been pretty, but it gets the job done. And finally, after that, it's time to head to the ferry for the second time now and head over to Anacortes. And then from there, we're gonna head to our third ferry and we'll go from Coupeville to Port Townsend, and then from there to our final camping spot over in the Olympic Peninsula.